What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So is NIO ready to moon like Tesla? We're gonna see in a second, but the short answer is maybe. I doubt it, but it's definitely possible. So it looks like NIO was inside of this spike in channel previously. I'll show you guys that right now. This was the spike lower. Let's make this orange, and then let's make the channel orange to show you guys right now. So this was the spike in channel working lower. So price action could not reach the lower side of the channel because there was a major support at the $35 level, and then prices barely broke below it and trapped all the shorts and just reversed. So we've just been trending up ever since. So this is the first time we have gotten above the EMA and stayed above it for quite a long time, since it looks like, I'm not even going to count all this, I'll probably maybe count all this probably back in July. So we've been above it. It looks like we're finding support, kind of like a reversal, so we could potentially see a second leg up from here. I do expect us to make a new high of this channel working up, just because that's normally what we get if we get a break outside of a channel. We might not get a retest of the lows. So if we do go up to retest these highs and make a new one, we might not do this right here to retest these lows of this spike in channel down, because that major support line at that $35 level I was talking about. So we might just continue higher from there. So if we do make a new high, we could make that second leg up. So this would be the first leg up right here, and this is the potential second leg that NIO could make right at that $47 level. I do expect us to make a new high, and if it continues to trend higher, we could probably reach that $47 level. If we make a new high and start reversing down like this down yellow, down orange, purple line I drew on the chart, we'll probably go back to retest these lows or even make a new one. So let me just zoom out on the chart a little bit more. You can see that NIO has been going sideways for quite a long time. Looks like back in November 2020. So it's pretty much 1 year. It's back at the same price level it was. So we're just range bound. I'll show you guys right now with the range tool or the parallel channel line. So it looks like these are the lows of the range, and we have not gone up to the highs because there has been a lot of selling pressure for the stock. Let's make this yellow. If I zoom out even a little bit more, you can see that NIO had this large move up since mid of last year. So we could get a retest of those highs, especially since we had that first break outside. So it looks like there was this large or wide uptrend channel that NIO was inside of previously. Let me show you guys that right now. So let me just adjust this a little better. And then we just went sideways, so the buyers and sellers are just not stepping up to the plate. They're kind of just going back and forth with each other, battling out. That's not really what's happening. It's basically just orders being filled and stop losses being hit back and forth. But this is pretty bullish. We have this support level at the $35 level where the sellers tried multiple times to come in, so they might just give up, and the buyers might step in and reverse in the opposite direction. So that's what it looks like it's doing. So I'm pretty sure we're going to make that new high, especially since we kind of broke outside of this slight congestion area that we've been inside of since 19th of October. And it just basically trapped all the shorts. Now I had a big reversal bar up. So it looks like we could go back all the way up to stop out this person who went short here at this tail bar. And that would reach the $42 or $43 level. And from there, we'll probably continue higher, most likely. So to the $47 level, and maybe back all the way up to retest the highs, maybe eventually. So that's pretty much everything I see on the daily chart. So let's go ahead and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for NIO, and I'm going to put that support line or the support price that NIO has been defending. So it looks like it's not letting prices go below that $35 level and staying below it. Every time it just comes here, we get bounces. So Recently we had this 4 bars that went straight up, and then we pulled back to test the EMA, and it looks like this week is gonna be a reversal pattern where we do something like this. We get above the EMA, find some type of support, and continue to trend higher. So I can see that play out. There's not a lot of bearish signs for this stock. There was that spike in channel down where we did not make the new low yet, and we had that first break, so we could go up a little bit higher and then start reversing back down. But that's it versus all the bullish signs, such as we could still make a new high of the previous uptrend all the way back up to the $68 level or $70 level. We're finding a lot of support at that $35 level. It looks like we could potentially make in a reversal pattern right now. So there's a lot of bullish signs for this stock. So I'm more bullish than bearish. But anything can change, right? We can just make that new high of that short-term uptrend that I showed you on the daily chart and reverse from there. And then you just have to make a new analysis and a new prediction of where prices could be going. But as of right now, and what the chart is telling me, and on the bars that have presented itself, that's my analysis that I could go with. It looks like we will probably potentially make that second leg up to that $47 level or $48 level that I showed you earlier. And then from there, we just got to wait and see what it wants to do, and maybe eventually might go up to retest the highs. So thank you for stopping by and checking my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.